How to sync audio in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get into it. Begin by importing the two pieces of media that you want to sync together. Next, select both of the clips, right-click, and choose Auto Align Clips. This window will appear. For Synchronize Using, click into this drop-down and select Waveform. For Use Track Number, I recommend using the track number of the audio you want to use. In my case, it's Audio 2. So use track number, I'm going to set that as Audio 2. Next, choose Sync. DaVinci is then going to sync your audios together. As we can see here, the waveforms have lined up quite perfectly. If you then want to remove the audio that's associated with your video, you can right-click and then check Linked Clips. Click out of it, select the audio you want to remove, delete. Then you can move your synced audio up one track, select both of the tracks, right-click and then link clips, and these two clips will then become linked like you had them previously. And that's all there is to it.